Aloha dog lovers, my name is Lauren. I'm the proud senior trainer with Off Leash Canine Training Hawaii, and I'm proud to present to you my 10-month-old buddy, Rex, the Labrador Retriever. Rex was dropped off to attend our 3-week board and train program because his owners, they wanted an off-leash capable dog and a dog that was going to consistently follow through with commands without selective hearing, meaning that they wouldn't have to repeat themselves over and over. Rex knew the sit command, but he wouldn't always comply. Rex lacks stability, and I'm absolutely convinced that there is no better way to teach a dog stability than by using the place command. Place just basically means to sit down on an object until the dog is released from the command, and as you can see here, my buddy Rex, he didn't know what the place command meant. Rex was a wrecking ball of energy. I'm working on his recall command right here, trying to get him to return to me, and I'm trying to get him to sit, but with the ball in his mouth, with the ball being a distraction, he's just not listening. Another major problem that we had to conquer was Rex's lack of a heel command. He would pull super hard on the leash, pretty much to the point where it was impossible for one of his owners to walk him. He'd swing from left to right, he'd jump all over his owners, he'd scratch him up. Walking Rex was a chore. It just wasn't a pleasant experience. Alright, now let's check out Rex's door manners, or I guess you can say a lack of door manners. As soon as I open up the door, he takes off on me, I call him back, and what does he do? He jumps all over me, gets overly excited. The goal with door manners is to teach a dog that they're not allowed to enter, they're not allowed to exit without permission. We worked super hard and put in some super long hours to get Rex where he needed to be, but check him out now. 3 weeks later, he's off-leash capable.
Cool. Yeah. So we found Off Leash over here in Oahu and decided to put Rex in the program, and he's done an awesome job as far as obeying commands and just being a really good boy now. He's sitting here placing. He really kind of used my wife as a litter mate and wouldn't obey her commands at all. And now he's after going through just a few hours of training here on Oahu, we're able to have him obey us and listen to us, and yeah, we look forward to just taking him home and just hanging out with him, and he's definitely a different dog now. So we appreciate it, and thank you guys.
When I first saw her, a black cat crossed my trail. Bad news and high heels made me go off